In this video, I will show you how to download Minecraft for free on PC or laptop. In order to do that, simply open your web browser and on the address bar, go ahead and type Minecraft trial. Click on this very first one to open the official page of Minecraft. In this page, scroll down to where you get different edition of Minecraft. And here you select the OS of your PC. If yours is Windows, you can just click on that. And if it is Mac, simply click on Mac. For mine, it is Windows PC and it is Windows 11. So I will simply click on this to download Minecraft on my PC. You can see the download is taking place. This will not waste time. And then the moment it is done, you can just simply click on it. This will bring up this windows for you. All you need to do is to click I have read and accept the Minecraft software license term. And the moment you click on that, you click on install and the installation will begin immediately. Now with the Minecraft launcher installer, the installation will quickly begin to install in your PC. The installation is done right now, and all you just need to do is to click on this let's go, and it will bring up this windows for you. You can see the new window that has opened up. All you just need to do is to sign in with your Microsoft account, and if you don't have Microsoft account, you can just simply click here to create Microsoft account, or you can just simply click here to log in with a different account that you wish to log in with. And then once you do that, you just wait for a moment. It will come up with a page for you to input your login details and possibly sign up for a new account. With the account signed in, you can just go ahead and play the Minecraft in your PC. Thank you.